Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today, we're excited to share a special treat with you, a delicious, cheesy pizza recipe. We'll be preparing a rich and flavorful cheesy pizza, perfect for any occasion. Today, we're bringing you a special treat that everyone loves, a homemade cheesy pizza that's soft, flavorful, and loaded with rich, melty cheese. This recipe is perfect for beginners as well as pizza lovers who want to recreate the authentic pizzeria taste right at home. Our cheesy pizza features a soft, fluffy dough made from simple ingredients, topped with a vibrant homemade pizza sauce, and finished with a generous layer of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. The combination of herbs, spices, and creamy cheese gives this pizza an irresistible aroma and taste you won't forget. Whether you're making it for a family dinner, a weekend snack, or a special occasion, this pizza is sure to impress. Follow our simple steps to get a perfectly golden crust and stretchy cheese pull every time. So let's get started and bring the delicious flavors of Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine right to your table. First of all, take pizza dough. How to make pizza dough at home. If you want this pizza dough recipe, we'll share it in my description box or comment box. You can check it. Spread the dough into the pizza pan with hands and set it well in whole pan. And by using fork, make hole into the dough. Now add homemade pizza sauce and spread it with help of spoon. Spread in whole dough. Then add mozzarella cheese cube into the dough, spread over the dough. We top it with a vibrant, aromatic pizza sauce along with tender, seasoned, cooked chicken breast that adds a hearty and satisfying flavor. Finally, we load it up with mozzarella and cheddar cheese to create that perfect pizza shop-style cheese pull. The combination of juicy chicken, creamy cheese, and herbs brings a bold, savory taste that everyone in your family will enjoy. Whether you're making it for dinner, a party, or a weekend treat, this cheesy chicken pizza is guaranteed to become a favorite at your table. Add tomato ketchup. This is optional. You can skip. Then spread 1 pinch black pepper powder. Before baking, we lightly brush the edges with oil or melted butter, which gives the crust a beautiful golden color and a soft, tasty finish. Finally, we bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, until the cheese is perfectly melted and the crust is baked to perfection. The result is a rich, aromatic, and irresistibly cheesy chicken pizza that's perfect for family dinners, weekend treats, or any special occasion. Wow, it looks absolutely amazing after baking. Beautifully golden edges, perfectly melted cheese, and the chicken pieces sitting on top make it look irresistible. This cheesy chicken pizza truly turns out as delicious as it looks. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.